smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Good morning. Another venue, another race. This time away on that headland. So my wife has another race. I'm going to walk the course and we'll see how much fun we can have. But what a beautiful setting. Got to run up and over that. Just getting to the start. Half an hour of walking. The world is waking up. Arriving at the start. So, the start of the race is at the end of the South Downs Way. Something I did a couple of years ago. So I've got about a half an hour head start on everybody when I'm coming up to the start point. Here's the start to the race for 10k, half marathon, marathon and ultra. So let's see where it goes. That's a common sight. About 500 yards in, this is the view you get if you look back. None of the runners will, but I'm being able to. I love these, especially in sort of Iceland and Norway, where you get pitches right by the sea. First marker posts. South Downs Way. Running on the edge. Slowly taking us up and over. I'm not sure if this can pick this up, but it's a lovely bowl. And that's the ridge at the top, the South Downs Way. But we're in a bowl and we've got to get out of it. That is the Strait of Dover. And over there somewhere is France. So after about a mile, 1,500 meters, don't go that way. They take you up and over the hill. It's a steep hill. Whew. Over that hill, all the way along. Bottom of this hill, and we come off on down the next headland. Oh, that one was tough. I think we've got to go down and up again. Whew. A little bit of contouring along the coastline. Whew. It's a tough course. Beachy Hedge signalling. It's 1877. Cyclists come up here and off they go. The run takes you down towards Instagram Edge. There we are. Some of the South Downs. Woo! That was good. Coming the other way was the end of the South Downs Way for me. But this is just beautiful. What's not to like? Blue sea, or the white chalk cliffs. through the electric wires. And then we go away from the sea and inland. Feed station after about 2 3/4 miles. First runner through about 2 3/4 miles. Second runner through. First 2 runners through are a long way ahead of everyone else. And there they are, making their way up the next hill. They're definitely starting to come through now. 7th, 8th, off they go. Bit quicker than me. Through the sheep, following the runners. Last bit back into Eastbourne. Coming towards the finish. We're sort of zigzagging down the hill. And we've done our loop and we end up at the bottom of the hill, which is the official start or finish of the South Downs Way. And I'm turning left because if I was going to do an ultra, I'd be going straight on. Then we have the post-race wander down the promenade.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.